Judith.
Judith. Who else are you calling? Are you calling
You.
Tatay?
Call tatay?
Call Tatay?
Ate. Ate.
Ate May?
Ate May.
Ate me. Ate me.
Hello?
Ate May.
How are you?
Say how are you? How are you? Say how are you?
Excellent. Yes. 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 Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
How about Tito Jing?
Tito Jing.
Tutu. Tutu. Jing.
Call Tito Jing. Come on.
Call Tito Jing?
Hello.
Hello, Tito Jing. Hi, Kate. Hi, Kate.
Bye.
Bye ka agad.
How about Nanay Bonbon?
Thank you. Bye.
Toto
you,
Bon.
bye.
Tita Bonbon. Can you call
Ko
Tita Bon?
Ariel.
To Eric.
Tita Eric.
Uncle Ariel. Uncle Ariel.
Uncle Eric. What do you say to Uncle Eric?
How are you?
Say how are you? How are you?
Kamusta? Kamusta?
Say mga bata.
Uncle Sam. Bada.
Kamusta mga bata?
Kamusta mga
How
bata?
about Tita Bonbon?
I shake the car.
How about Bobok?
Baba.
Call Baba. Call Baba.
Baba. Cricket.
Say, can you ask Bobo ice cream?
Okay, bye.
Okay, then say bye-bye. Yeah, say bye-bye. Hello, bye.
Oh, yeah. Hopefully, I got years. This I got you can.
Yeah,